Hello KG2, good morning. How are you? Fine. So KG2, we are learning E sound words. But we are learning E sound words and E says A. E says A. In your previous part also you have learnt it. Now we are here in the book. We will read and we will do two of the exercises in the book itself. This is your book work. Okay? So, take out your book and see this exercise. It is on page number 24 in my book. Maybe it is in another page, on another page in your book. Okay? It is let us read aloud. E sound words, or you can say A sound words. The sound is A, 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 N, N, H, N, hen, A, G, egg, M, et, met, B, E, d, bed. Likewise, A, G, egg, P, N, pen, B, E, G, beg, V, E, T, wet, R, E, D, red. Okay, and I have told you in the previous part that how you have to read. You have to read pointing towards each and every sound. Okay, again I am reading it. Just pay attention. H, E, N, hen, E, G, egg, M, E, T, met, B, E, D, bed. Like you read हिंदी. जैसे आप हिंदी रीड करते हैं और जब आप हिंदी रीड करते हैं तो उसमें एक की मात्रा लगती है. ओके, if you will learn, जैसे क में ए की मात्रा के, ख में ए की मात्रा खे, ग में ए की मात्रा गे, ड ए डे, च ए चे, छ ए छे. Likewise, this a goes. T a n, ten. P a n, pen. B e g, beg. V e t, wet. R e d, red. Now here these are a, e, t, at, et sound words. Okay. T, e, n, ten. L, e, g, leg. S, e, t, set. F, e, d, fed. D, e, n, den. K, e, g, keg. P, e, d, pet. L, e, d, led. M, e, n, men. P, e, g, peg. J, e, t, jet. V, e, b, web. T, e, n, t, t, e, n, t, tent. P, e, nest. R e s t rest. So these are the e sound words. Okay, you have to read it, and this is your homework of the day, that you have to read. What you have to read? You have to read this page. Okay, you have to read this page, do the practice, and this is your oral homework. Do the practice. And here also, this is your homework, that you have to do the oral practice of reading. You have to do the oral practice of reading. Now come to the next exercise, in which we have to write sound A. And while writing, you have to, what you have to do? You have to read and write. Like H, E, N, hen. P, E, N, pen. T, E, N, ten. D, E, N, den. Why I am doing this? So that you will also have the same practice. मैम साउंड बोलकर रीड कर रही है ना? इसलिए कर रही है ताकि आपका भी वैसा ही प्रैक्टिस बने. ठीक है? HEN hen इज द स्पेलिंग, लेकिन जब आप रीड करेंगे तो आप बोलेंगे ह ए न hen, p e n pen, t e n ten, d e n den, m e n men, p e s t pest, b e l b e l bell, e g g egg. This double G and this double L has single sound. Double L says L and double G says G. Next, B e g beg, L e g leg, K e g keg, P e g peg, T e n t tent, V e l. This is single sound. V e l well, M e t met. Again, V e t wet, S e t set. E has a quick sound. A. P a pet, t pet. J a jet, t jet. N a nest, nest. V a b web. Now here, b e d bed, r e d red, f e d fed, l e d led, b e s t best, r e s t rest, b e l t belt. Okay, so this page is done. Now we are going towards the next page. And the next page, what is the next page? What is the next page? The next page is, let us match and write sound words. Sound words. So what we have to do? We have to match these words with their pictures. ये सारे वर्ड्स को उनके पिक्चर्स से मैच करना है. ओके, और जो भी मैचिंग होगी, एक्सक्यूज मी, जो भी मैचिंग होगी वो मैचिंग को here in the given space we have to write. Okay, now let us match. So the matching is, the first is pen. Where is the pen? The pen is here. So we have to match this pen to this pen. Pen. And we have to write pen here in this blank. Pen. Now next is hen. Where is the hen? The hen is here. So we have to match this hen to this hen. This hen to this hen. So let us match hen to hen. And after matching, we have to write hen here in the given space. Hen, that is hen. Now next is leg. Where is the leg? Where is the leg? Leg. The leg is here. So I am matching leg with leg. I am matching leg with leg. Leg with leg. And here we will write leg. Okay. Now next is egg. 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 And here it is egg. So we have to match this EGG with this picture. Egg. And we have to write egg in the front. Okay. Now next is bed. Bed is matched to this picture of bed, and it is written here in the given space. Okay. Now the next is web. Web means जाला, और जो स्पाइडर वेब होता है ना, मकड़ी का जाल, that is called web. Web. And here it is picture of web. So this web will be matched to this web. So here I am matching it. Web. And here in the given space I will write because W says web. Next is jet. Where is the jet? The jet is here. So this jet will be matched to this jet, and we have to write in the given space. Jet. Jet we have matched to jet, and we will write it as jet. KG2, listen carefully. I am using the red lines just to avoid confusion. आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होगे, इसीलिए मैम कुछ वर्ड्स में रेड पेन यूज कर रही है. ओके, यू हैव टू डू ऑल द थिंग्स with your pencil only. Okay, and if you want to match it with different colors, you can match. Okay, but it should be crayons only. Okay, अगर आपको भी different colors से match करना है तो आप match कर सकते हो, but आप crayons use करेंगे. ठीक है. Now next is pet. Pet का मतलब होता है वो एनिमल्स जिन्हें हम घर पर रखते हैं एज अवर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, या फिर इन हिंदी इट इज सिंपली सेड पालतू. सो व्हाट कुड बी द पेट? दिस कुड बी द पेट. 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 दिस pet will be matched to this puppy. And here in the given spaces, it will be written pet. Now the next is net. Here it is net and it is just in front of it. So match net with this picture and write in the given space here. Net. Now the last is bell. Okay, it is not bell. It is bell. Okay, bell. It is double L. That doesn't mean that it is l. It is single sound of l. Okay. So where is the bell? Bell is bell. Bell is here, and here in the given space we will write bell. Okay. So the answers are bed, jet, pet, pen, bell, leg, hen, egg, net and web. Okay. Now KG2, I want to teach you double E sound words. I want to teach you double E sound words. If any word has double E in it, अगर किसी भी word में double E आएगा तो क्या होगा? Like I have told you that E says A. E क्या कहता है? A. But if there is double E, it will say E. It will say E. Like if it is B double E, it will become B E. This line denotes long sound. Okay. B, E, B. D, E, D. D, E, D. F, E, Fee. Read it. F, E, Fee. Likewise, H, E, He. H, E, He. One more time we will read it. Okay. One more time we will read it. We are learning double E, which says E. Okay, like B, E, B, D, E, D, F, E, Fee, H, E, He. And this double E sound is called long E sound. This one is short E and this one is long E. Short E and long E. I want to tell you some of the words. Okay. Now I will add some more examples here, like P, E, E, it is P. P, E, P. S, E, C. S, E, C. Then T, E, T. T, E, T. K, E, key. K, E, key. Okay. Now with the help of these double E, we are going to learn some new words. Okay. We are going to learn some new words. Now look here. Here in this page there are, with the help of pictures you will be able to know what are these, और इसके बाद मैम आपको इसकी spelling बताएगी. These all words have double E. See here, double E. Can you see the double E? See, double E. Double E. Double E. Double E. Now let us read the word. This is T, R. T and R together say tra. It is tra. It has a single sound. Tra, E, tree. GR says gr. GR says gr. E, n. Green. Which color is this? This is green and this is a tree, जिसे आप हिंदी में पेड़ कहते हैं. Okay. Now next is, see, this is a small black dot here. और ये क्या है? एक seed है. Seed का मतलब होता है बीज, और बीज से ही एक प्लांट आता है. ओके. ये प्लांट, इस बीज के अंदर एक छोटा सा प्लांट होता है. जब इसे सॉइल में डालते हैं और इसे पानी मिलता है तो इस सीड के अंदर से ये प्लांट बाहर आता है और सॉइल के ऊपर ग्रो करता है. ओके. इसका रूट्स जो रहते हैं वो सॉइल में रहते हैं और बाकी जो बॉडी पार्ट्स होते हैं उसके, वो ग्राउंड के बाहर ग्रो करते हैं. सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज ई ड. स ई ड. सी Which animal is this? This is a sheep. Sheep. So the spelling is sh. SH together say sh. Okay. Excuse me. S and H together is sh. Sh. E. P. Sheep. Sh. E. P. Sheep. Okay. And this you have to write in the notebook. Okay. The notebook will be got ready by your parents, and you have to write it in the blank given. Okay. Now what are the words? Tree, gr, n, green, seed, and here it is sh. SH is sh. E, p, sheep. Okay. In the next page it is J, E, P, jeep. J, E, G, P, jeep. And here it is S, L, N together, which says sl. Sl. E, P, sleep. Sl, E, P, sleep. Okay. So KG2, that's all for today. This double E sound words, or you can say E sound words or long E sound words, is your written homework today. This is your homework that you have to do it in your notebook, and you have to write it 5 times each. Okay KG2? So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.